How to recover your password on CoinMarketCap. If you wish to recover your CoinMarketCap password, it's actually quite very simple for us to do so. All we have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the CoinMarketCap application. Then once you launch the CoinMarketCap app, this is the interface that you'll be able to see. What you want to do from here is tap the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Then here you can see login or sign up. Now when you go to login, normally if you had remembered your email and password, you would be able to enter them and log in without any issues. But since you forgot your password, tap on the option that says forgot password over here. Then just enter the email address associated to your CoinMarketCap account. Then tap the next option. It will send a link or a code to the email, right? So here tap on enter verification code and then just go to your email and check if you received email from CoinMarketCap. You can say CMC, which stands for CoinMarketCap. Tap on it, then just tap and click to set up your password, or you can just copy this code and come back and paste it, or you can just simply click here and it will take you to the page where you can choose a new password without having to remember your old password. This is the way on how you can go ahead and then basically recover your CoinMarketCap password. I hope that the video pretty much helps you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.